Good morning, Huft Heroes. Manny here again. Today we're going to be going over an in-depth tutorial, step-by-step, of how to go ahead and test you guys' water pressure at your own home. For today's tutorial, these are the tools needed in order to go ahead and test the water pressure coming into the home. Number one, a regular pair of channel locks, and number two is a working test gauge that has a proper gasket in there that will create our leak-free connection. All right guys, so as you see here, we are located at the nearest hose bib. It may be a little different for us because we are in an industrial building, but for you guys, the most ideal hose bib would be the one located nearest the water main. Want to go ahead and install our water test gauge straight onto the hose bib. And go ahead and give it a small another tighten just to ensure that leak-free connection. Once you have your test gauge all the way on there, want to go ahead and turn the hose bib on, and it will display the pressure coming into the home. For this industrial building, looks like we have it just a bit short of 50. Like we mentioned, 40 to 80 PSI is ideal for most homes. All right, and that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And if you guys need a plumber, go ahead and give us a call.